Hey, welcome back. Adonis from Kolleno Customer Success. Today's topic of discussion is why customers don't pay on time. These are 5 shockingly simple things you can change to get your customers to pay you sooner. The first is send the invoice to the customer on time, within your net terms, giving them ample time to make payment and reminding them that they have a payment upcoming. Next is have the correct billing information on the invoice and more. Don't just give the account number and sort code, give them the IBAN, the account number, the sort code, and everything else they may need so that it's a seamless and frictionless process for them to make that payment. The next is sending it to the correct department. Don't send it to marketing, send it to the billing department, send it to the correct person in the billing department. You don't want them having to ping pong that email around the office until payment is made. Send it to the right person at the right time and you will get paid sooner. The next is errors or billing amounts incorrect on the invoice. I know there are disputes sometimes and things do happen, but make sure that it's the correct invoice, it's up to date, and it has all the relevant, services and products that the client has rendered. Last is sending relevant support documentation. Send everything. Send them the purchase order, the statement of work, along with the invoice. All the information they need so they have no dispute, they have no questions, they will just make the payment. These seem simple and you can implement them today. A little quote from the Kolleno credit policy guide. You have to think that your clients want to pay you on time and they genuinely want to, but you need to give them all the tools and all the information so they do. So remember, remind the right person at the right time with the appropriate information and you will get paid sooner. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.